morning, guys. This morning we're just going to do a little install video for the cross country and crossroads luggage rack with the optional backrest. So to get started, things you're going to need are two 10mm wrenches, a 5mm Allen wrench. You can do the socket type or just the Allen wrench. And then once you got all your tools together and you have your hardware laid out for the install, it's going to be four 6mm hex head screws and lock nuts to install it. It's pretty simple. We've already taken and installed the two side panels and the top plate together, and next we're just going to put it on the bike. So what you want to do is just, you can see where the studs are. You're going to lock the front one on the front studs, and it just rolls down on the back, and it's on the bike. Next thing you're going to do is take one of your 6mm hex head screws, lock nut, and a washer, and place it in the, you'll see the 4 holes on the side, and one each goes in each one of those holes. What I generally do is put the top 2 in first, and then get those tightened down, and then I'll come back and put in the lower ones. Tighten those up. So after you get those in, then you put the lower ones in. Going to tighten them up the same way, so you'll have the 4 bolts that lock it into place. And then if you've bought the additional Kewlmetal backrest, you're just going to grab your black backrest block, your 5mm socket, Allen wrench, 4 screws, 8mm screws. Put them into place. Just tighten those down. It never hurts to use a little bit of blue Loctite on all these parts to keep any vibration from letting them come out. And once again, on these 8mm, all the torque specs are from 18 to 21 foot-pounds if you want to take them to a torque spec. And just tighten those up. Additionally, in your backrest kit, you also get your set screw, your backrest slides right in the groove. It's adjustable in and out where you might want it. It's also adjustable up and down. Take and lock down your backrest, get it positioned where you want it, and lock that down. Put your bags back on, and you're ready to rock and roll. Also remember that our back plate, you remove this, we'll take the Victory Tour Pack, or you can also bolt any Harley or aftermarket tour pack on the top of our rack. You just have to drill the holes for the 4 slot locations, which also allow you to have adjustment back and forth. This here rack that you're looking at is our plain design, and on the website you can see the one that's been sculptedly cut to match the lines of your new cross country or crossroads. And that's it for now.